Hi guys, it's me again, here for part 2, showing you how to use your computers day in day out and how to make your workload easier. If you guys missed the first video clip, I will leave a link in the description for you to follow. So further ado, let's get it started. So tip number 4, have you ever used Google Chrome, using it and close a tab by accident? Not a problem, you can bring this back by simply pressing Ctrl, Shift and T. This will bring the tab that you closed accidentally back on. I will show you now. So say for example you've closed one tab or closed several tabs by accident, you can restore this by pressing Ctrl, Shift and T. Each time you press Ctrl, Shift and T, it will reopen the last tab that you closed. So for example, if you close Google Chrome completely by accident, you can restore the whole tabs by pressing the same button, Ctrl, Shift and T. Tip number 5, basic window switching. This allows you to switch from one window to another window when you have multiple windows open, such as applications. If you keep your thumb pressed on the Alt button, using your finger to press on the Tab button. If you keep pressing the Tab button, this will allow you to switch screens. Tip number 6, advanced window switching when you have multiple windows or applications or software open. So the advanced tab option is different. This gives you a preview of what's in the window, giving you a better idea, whereas not just showing you an icon of the application that you have open. Thank you guys for watching another video of daily tips to help you guys get your jobs done. I hope these clips have been very helpful. Please continue to watch my daily videos on how I can help you and your business. Please, if you have any messages or any comments that you have issues with that you want me to talk over, please leave a message in the description below on how I can help. Thanks again for watching. I'm Sakib from a company called PCS. Love it, hate it, we can fix it. Thank you.